Well, down here marking the line. Everything on this side of the woods we're going to probably leave. Everything on this side we're probably going to have logged. So we're kind of getting our boundaries. So I ran out of ribbons, so I had to use plastic trash bags. They work pretty good. Just tie them on, you can see them really well. Just tie them on the tree, so I'm just marking a line here. Motorcycle trail. They work good. We're going to have those cut out. I'm just walking and adding more flags when I need them. So I'm already pretty good there. I'll walk this whole line. That's the neighbors over there, so trying to give them some privacy. So kind of leaving all that. I'm gonna walk back to the corner now. Oh, deer tracks, frogs. Looks like maybe coyote tracks, old ones. Some fresh deer tracks. A little bit of water in it. That might be a squirrel or a skunk. I'm not for sure. Getting them a drink of water. That's what the deer tracks are. There's the little frogs in it. Okay. The forest has been logged before. And it wasn't done right. My dad hired a forestry guy, but they went after the money, I'd say. My dad didn't know. We got some big trees. If you look at all this, it's all scrub and it's all beech. Wouldn't be bad to have one or two beech, but if we ever cut any of these trees down, that's all it's going to be is the beech forest. Plus we need some money for my sister's house. But we're going to come back in and we're going to manage it. We're going to plant some white pine, black walnut, and white oak. And maybe some chestnut oak. And we'll start over with the new forest. We'll never see anything from it, but the next generation should. Hopefully our nieces, nephews, grandchildren will benefit from it. Just like we're benefiting from my mom and dad. It's just so beautiful. As you can see, there's one big tree and all junk. And we thought the guy was an expert. Then some parts they took way like a clear cut, about every tree. It's a hill, so you can tell I just came down that hill. And over that hill. So it's a little bit of a walk. I'm going to stop here and get up to the point and get me a drink of water. Our property's over there. So I'm just getting up here so I can get my bearings, because it is several hills away, as you can see. There's just little valleys. And if you go up in there, that's the horseshoe. It gets real big and around, comes around, comes back out to this point here. Hope everyone's having a beautiful day. Just awesome. Peace.